Are U.S. drone strikes killing innocent people in 2025? Pentagon leaks reveal a deadly cover-up. Stay tuned, this is War by Remote Control. Hey truth seekers, before we dive into today's expose, hit that like button. It takes 5 seconds and fuels our fight to question everything. Not subscribed? Join the Q Everything crew and tap the bell for raw, unfiltered truths. Stick with us to the end, I promise it's worth your time. Let's get into it. X is raging with leaks about a 2025 surge in U.S. drone strikes, Syria, Yemen, Iraq. A Pentagon insider claims over 1,000 strikes this year, triple last year's count. But here's the gut punch: civilian deaths are being swept under the rug. A 2025 report estimates 500 non-combatants killed, labeled collateral damage. Families are grieving, and we're not told. Here's the truth: drones are cheap, deadly, and unaccountable. A leaked memo shows the Pentagon loosened target verification rules in 2025. That means less vetting, more mistakes. Ex-users in the Middle East are sharing videos of bombed villages, kids, not targets. Yet, U.S. media barely covers it. Why? Defense contractors profit billions from drone tech. Think it's just over there? Wrong. These strikes fuel anti-American sentiment, breeding more conflict. A 2025 study linked drone campaigns to a 20% rise in extremist recruitment. Your safety, your taxes, they're tied to this. And the silence? That's by design to keep you in the dark. This matters because it's about accountability. If the U.S. can kill without oversight, what's next? Domestic drones? Ex-posts from veterans warn the tech's already here. We're funding a war machine that doesn't answer to us. What can you do? First, dig for truth. Check X for eyewitness accounts, not just news spin. Second, demand answers. Ask your reps why civilian deaths are ignored. Third, spread this video. Share it, wake people up. If we don't question this, the bloodshed grows. This is war without conscience. That's the truth they're hiding, but we're not done yet. If this hit you hard, smash that like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Q Everything. Tap the bell to stay in the fight for truth. Drop a comment: what's the biggest lie you're questioning?